The JLAB JBuddies Pro wireless headphones for kids feature a long-lasting battery, hearing protection, and a kid-friendly design. They'll work great with your phone or tablet that's rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide network. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new JLAB JBuddies Pro wireless headphones for kids. Let's rip this fully recyclable box open. Inside the box, we've got the new JBuddies Pro headphones, quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and an aux cord. The JBuddies charge with a Type-C cable and stay powered throughout the day, so using them at school and then at home is possible with their up to 35-hour battery life. The hearing protection switch is an amazing feature that stops sound from going over 85 decibels. The switch is hidden inside one of the headphones, so parents and guardians can keep their little ones' eardrums safe. These JBuddies are great to use at school or home, can connect via Bluetooth or directly with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Built with cloud foam cushions and form-fit ear cups, these headphones are perfectly comfortable for all-day use. They even have large control buttons located at the bottom of the ear cup so those little fingers can find them easily. The new JLAB JBuddies Pro headphones, long-lasting battery, hearing protection, and a kid-friendly design. They'll work great with your phone or tablet rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out the new JLAB JBuddies Pro headphones at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications for our upcoming videos. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.